أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to our YouTube channel Ahmed Hussain 786. Lecture number 2, we are going to start English language. There are basic three tenses: present, past and future. And after this there are four kinds of tenses. Number 1, indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. In this way, we can make 12 tenses. 3 tenses multiplied by 4 kinds is equal to 12 tenses. Number 1, present indefinite tense. Number 2, present continuous tense. Number 3, present perfect. And number 4, present perfect continuous. These are the kinds of tenses. Number 5, past indefinite. Number 6, past continuous. Number 7, past perfect. And number 8, past perfect continuous. Number 9, future indefinite. Number 10, future continuous. Number 11, future perfect. And 12, future perfect continuous. These were the kinds of the tenses. Now we are going to start number 1, the present indefinite tense. It can be defined as the action that is done in present. However, there is no definite time limit to complete it, or when an action is happening right now or happening regularly. For example, he learns the lesson. She does not wash the clothes. Do they obey their elders? Formula: subject plus first form of verb plus object. We can use do and does as helping verbs in this tense.